What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another portfolio update. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In today's video, I'm going to cover the main stock account. We'll look at the options moves that I made today. We'll give some updates on the current plays, as well as looking at all of the crypto portfolios and any moves I plan on making in the near future. If you guys could please hit the like to help grow this little channel. As well as make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any updates. If you guys are interested in my free options blueprint, just send me a message on Instagram and I will shoot that out to you. It's everything I know about trading options, and I'm sending it free as a thank you to my first 1,000 subscribers. All right, so today we were up 78,000. No, I'm just playing. We were up about 1,000 today. Schwab sent me a message saying they were having some issues, and so it's obviously not right. But we were up about 1,000. We crossed over 300 again, but wasn't able to hold it. So looking at today's movers, here's the positions from biggest to smallest. Amazon down 1.7%. Enphase down 3.6%. CrowdStrike down 1%. Tesla up 3%. Didn't really move the needle after hours at all, unfortunately. Shopify down 1%, Palantir down 2%, and that was it. Looking at today's history, we did collect $75 dividend from Microsoft, which was nice. And then I went ahead and sold some $55 puts on Celsius, and we collected $304 in premium for that move. I sold those for July 19th, and we did two contracts, $55 strike price. This one is very interesting to me. It's my top company that I have my eye on right now. Here is the recent chart, and as you can see, the fall has just been straight down. So today was the first green day in a long time. It briefly went under the $60 mark, but did recover to 62 later in the afternoon. Hopefully we'll be picking up some shares here. I would love to take assignment of these 55s and continue to work my way down. If it breaks below $50, I'll probably go ahead and pick up some leaps, which are basically long-term calls, and I will use those to build my position and hopefully take ownership down the line instead of just trading those contracts. So definitely excited, very, very excited about this particular play. Looking at the current options plays, I also wanted to show you this, guys. So I was going to buy some more SoFi leaps today, but you guys know I like to wait until the afternoon in order to do that. And so this is what I explained to you guys last week, which was the 30-day EMA on the 5-minute chart. And if you followed this today, it saved you a lot of headache, because we could see right here was a massive fake out. But like I said in my last teaching video, unless you get two back-to-back green candles closing above the green line, which is the 30 EMA. So we got one close right here, and then we just went immediately right back down. So this, I'm telling you guys, is an absolute game changer. You should use it. It prevented me from entering too early today. And actually, I was going to sell. It was literally like 358. I was going to buy some leaps. But it literally, in the last like 2 minutes of the trading day, took a big dip. It did recover afterwards, but I knew that tomorrow I could just go ahead and put that same move on, and so I did not buy the leaps today. But 30-day EMA, 5-minute time frame, requiring two green candles closing above that EMA line. That's what I used, and if you follow that today, it was another success. So I will probably do that tomorrow. All right. I will probably also sell some Tesla covered calls tomorrow, since we didn't get really any movement on that today in the after hours like I thought we would. Let's see what else. We don't have a lot of option plays on right now, actually. So we've got Shopify We're currently down 160% or $418. We've got DraftKings, which we are now up on 21%, $52 for the $41 DraftKings calls. Let's see, Nike, still we're gonna ride this one out to expiration, which I very rarely do. Sorry. So Nike, we're at 51% or $126. And then SoFi, we're down 18% on the $6.50 puts or $40. We were up 40% on that play a few days ago, but sometimes that's what happens, and you go back into the negative. So sometimes you should see profit and take profit, but I was confident, or I am confident that 650 is still a perfectly good strike for that. So now we're in the negative. Okay. Looking at the crypto portfolio, we're pretty much flat on the day, down $143, sitting at 44K. Looking at the degenerate crypto portfolio, we're down. It's really hard to actually tell. This particular, it doesn't really tell you which up or down. But I know I put 1,000 into this, so I'm down $50 on that. So whatever Bitcoin does, these meme coins are going to do significantly more up and down. So, but still holding that one. And then looking at the Robinhood, so this is a great learning opportunity for everyone. So Robinhood was down 10% today. Robinhood, this account, not the stock, down $1,200 today. And basically why that is because I gambled. And sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. Not meaning to say that this is like a play account, so to speak, but this is an account where I take more risk than I would in the main stock portfolio. And so last night on the Tesla compensation package news, I decided to buy some TSLL, which is a 2x leverage on the regular Tesla shares. So if Tesla goes up 1%, TSLL will go up 2%, and so on and so forth, as well as the negative. So Tesla went down a few percentages after hours because I bought this pretty much at the top, and so this position went down pretty quick. So I put a stop loss on it before I went to bed this morning, and when I woke up, the stop loss had triggered, and so I sold the TSLL for $1,200 loss. So that's just the game. Last time there was good overnight Tesla news was a few weeks ago when they announced that FSD was going to be available in China, and we saw like a massive pump. And so I thought we could have another one of those, but we just didn't. And so the compensation was approved for Elon, but we didn't really get much share appreciation for that. So it is what it is. You win some, you lose some. And that was that. Looking at, so we still got the SoFi Leaps, $7 calls for 2026. I'll probably buy another 2 of those tomorrow. And then the main stocks on my radar are Celsius, still TSLL, still BITX. Those are going to be my 3 biggest focuses moving forward. And then probably PayPal and Salesforce, I would say, will make it into the top 5. And then these others are just long-term buy points if you want to dollar cost average into these companies. This is my stocks on my radar watch list. So all of these are good buy points in my opinion. That's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully tomorrow we will crack 300, but honestly, the cash balance is sitting at 47,000, and so I wouldn't mind if we got a dip. Would not mind whatsoever. It would help me catch up on a lot of these options that you see right here, which are deep in the money, such as the Microsoft, Enphase, what else? I know there's an $18 Palantir somewhere. Yeah, right here, $18 call. So a dip would really help me actually, come back on some of these. So either way, I'm good with it. We'll just maneuver and go with the flow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you joining in once again, and take care.